rectifier. Okay, bridge rectifier. Earlier we have seen half wave rectifier, we have seen center tapped full wave rectifier. Okay, so if you are seeing your center tapped full wave rectifier, there we cannot use the total of the secondary winding. As we cannot use the total of the secondary winding, we will go for one more arrangement, that is called your bridge type full wave rectifier. If you are seeing the bridge type full wave rectifier, here we are introducing 4 diodes. Here we are introducing 4 diodes and you are having this load resistance. So from the transformer, say if you are seeing the secondary of the transformer, here what is happening, that you are having the sinusoidal input. During the positive half cycle, here let us assume that this is your point A, this is your point B. This will be positive and this point B, it will be negative. As we are knowing that the property of diode is that in forward bias condition it will conduct and in reverse bias condition it will not conduct. So as this is positive, your this in the first half cycle, as this is positive, this diode D1 it will forward bias, so this one will conduct, and again it will pass through your this load resistance. Okay, and here as you are having this negative terminal, so from here again it will move to say it will pass through your diode 2 and it will come to point B. So how is your movement? Let us assume that C, D, E, F. Let us assume that you are having a bridge of C, D, E, F. Okay. So during the positive half cycle, the movement will be from A to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and again back to your B. So that you are having this one. You are having this one. So this is your A, B, C, D, E, F. So this will be the flow. Okay, this will be the flow. Okay, this is during the positive half cycle. This is during your positive half cycle. Okay, here in your one half cycle, 2 diodes are used. 2 diodes are used. Okay, now let us go for your negative half cycle. When we are going for your negative half cycle, here the polarity changes. Your A it will become negative and this B become positive. So as B is becoming positive, so the flow will be from B, it will pass through your diode D3, again it will pass through your load resistance, and from there it will pass through your diode D4 and again back to your A. So that flow will be something like this. So it is from B to F, from F to D, and from there to E, and from E to C, and C to A. So this you will have in your secondary. This is in case of your negative half cycle. So in positive half cycle, 2 diodes are contributing. In the negative half cycle, again here 2 diodes are contributing. Okay, and if you are seeing the winding, we are using the total of the secondary winding. So whatever the problem that we are having in case of your sector tap, that problem will be solved here. And if you are saying practically nowadays we are going for this only. You will not have half wave, you will not have center tap, but everywhere you will have bridge type full wave rectifier only. Okay. So this is only that we are having. Okay. And say suppose if this is your input, how will be your output? Output will consider across the load resistance. So your output will be like this. Okay. So for first half cycle, you will see that diode D1 and D2 are contributing. For second half cycle, your D3 and D4 are contributing. Again, it will be repeated. You are seeing that though in your input this is negative to positive polarity changes, but in case of output, you are having only unidirectional output. You are having only unidirectional output. Okay.